Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vice, and today we are watching Chainsaw Man episode 7. In the last episode, we're finally getting out of this hotel. Denji decided to sacrifice himself to the devil and kill it from the inside out, and hopefully that'll be it and we'll be free. I'm really excited to keep watching, so without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, he sacrificed himself. That was insane. Come on. He can do it. Here we go. This devil was so stupid, thinking it was smart to eat the chainsaw devil. I knew you were alive. No, he'll find your heart. His chainsaws will retract. Oh no. Ooh. You are so much weaker now. So the Eternity Devil knows the Chainsaw Devil, and he's calling him weak, that he has fallen. This is so fascinating. I want to know the backstory of the Chainsaw Devil now. I never even really considered that we might have backstories to these devils, and that they might even know each other. That's so cool. Oh no. Oh, you're eating him. That was so smart. Oh my god, that laugh. Oh, are these all devil hunters? Oh, she's after the gun devil too. Why? Why are you after the gun devil? He makes a good point. She can't go through it again. No, he's never gonna go for it. I see. She believes that the Chainsaw Devil, Denji, can absolutely take on the Gun Devil, which means Aki won't have to die. Ooh. It's not over. It's your Ghost Devil. I drink that blood and heal. The Nobel Prize is mine. You're not power. Oh, you're excited now. 3 days?
みんなで酒飲みに行こう。終わったからちょっと眠るわ。
She's a cuddler. Wow. It's begging him. Good job. That was great. And no time has passed, right?
10の悪魔の肉片も取れたし、晴れてるし、クソした後みてえな気分だぜ。浮いてるみてえだ。
And you're out.
アキ君とデンジ君は私たちで病院に連れてく。残り2人で今回のことを報
I
告
think
し
they're quitting. I would quit if I experienced that.
4課全員集まったことないしさ。親睦を深めつつ今抱えている問題をなくしましょうよ。
問題？
小紅ちゃんと新井君
Yep,
は法案
they're
やめる
quitting.
っつってんだよね。悪魔が怖くなっただけじゃなくデンジ君を殺そうとしちゃって悔いてるんだろうけど。
Yeah, that checks out.
姫野先輩も殺そうとしてたじゃないですか。
飲みの場ならささっとデンジ君に謝れるし小紅ちゃんたちを引き止められるでしょ。
あんた飲みたいだけでしょ。
に
小さいけど肉片ありました。
That's so tiny.
飲むんなら絶対に今週ですね。どうせ飲むなら牧間さんと飲みたい。来週から牧間さん京都出張。デンジが悪魔に狙われた件で応援求めに行くらしいです。
正直さ、デンジ君って何者だと思う？相手の悪魔がデンジ君のこと知ってたみたいだし、あんな姿も初めて見たよ。一番謎なのがあの牧間さんがデンジ君を気にかけてること。牧間さん、あちこちに行くのに最近は東京にいるのってデンジ君がいるからでしょ。デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからなのか。
Interesting.
牧間さん呼ばせて聞いてみようか。
It's a good plan.
のけ刺身は全部わしだし。
He wasn't trying to steal it.
うまそう。
道に迷っちゃって。
Oh.
コベちゃん、コベちゃん、こっちおいで。
どれなんですか。唐揚げは全部わしのじゃ。
フシさんとこの魔人は連れてこなかったんですか？
Your
ここには
fiend.
怖くて連れてこられないですね。
Who's your
早
fiend?
川さんところの魔人ちゃんは理性が高くていいですね。
Power is reasonable compared to this guy's fiend. Now I have to know who it is.
キスの件は？
Now?
おお、シラフじゃ恥ずかしいからさ。もっと酔ったらしてあげる。濃いやつかましてやるからさ。
Will
デンジ
you?
君をみんなで殺そうとしたこと許してね。
ああ、もう超許すよ。
新人歓迎会なんだから新人は立って自己紹介、名前と年齢と契約してる悪魔言え。
公共の場で契約している悪魔を言うな。手の内は信用した人間にしか見せちゃいけないぞ。俺デンジ、年は
I'm
確か
16 if I
16
remember right.
趣味は食うのと
あんた酒飲んでないよね。
お茶。
私は荒井宏和です。22歳、契約している悪魔はキツネ。
With the fox devil too.
ハヤパイと契約してる悪魔同じじゃん。狐の悪魔は人間に友好的だから、たくさんのデビルハンターと契約している。
東山小紅です。20歳です。契約してる悪魔は
You do have a devil contract.
趣味は美味しいものを食べること
I
です。
didn't think she would.
おりょう、フシさんとこの新人は
残念ですが昨日亡くなりました。
南無阿弥陀仏、法蓮方言、下教。
She's already
先
drunk.
輩も酔ってるな。
そんな簡単に死ぬんですか。民間で無理だった悪魔が公安に任されるからな。
まあバンバン死んでくよね。私の同期ももう公安にいないし。
デンジ君は私とキスしたいから死なないもんね。
Okay, one, those two are definitely quitting. I can't believe they have a contract with the devil, but they're quitting. Two, Denji thinks he's 16? 16. That's way too young. No way. He has to be older, right? Because I feel like everyone in this show is older. Like, I feel like they're in their 20s, late 20s. How old is this girl? What's her name? Himino? How old is she? How old is Makima? Denji's not 16, right? He just thinks he is, but he's older, right?
ここにいる新人以外
She's
みんな
kissed
姫野
everyone
にキスする
here.
時は逃げられねえからな。
確定キスじゃん。俺今日ファーストキスしちゃうんだ。
キス？
マキマさ
すいません。生一つお願いします。デンジ君、誰かとキスするの？
しません。
ん。デンジ君キスしないの？
しまーす。
姫野さんとキスするとかマキマさんに見られたくない。
チーフしないの？
でも同じくらい強い気持ちでやっぱり
You
ベ
gotta
ルキスしたい
choose.
今は一旦話をそらすしかねえ。マキマさん、俺さ銃の悪魔のなんちゃら拾いましたよ。
デンジ君はすごいね。
前までこんな速いペースで肉片を持つ悪魔は現れま
Yeah,
せんで
this
した。
frequently.
この間のデンジを狙った悪魔といい、最近少し悪魔の動きが怪しいですよ。
Interesting.
マキマさんはデンジのこと何か知ってるんじゃないですか？
Not answering.
私より飲んだら教えてあげる。
She's never telling you. Oh my god. That's insane.
すいません。生もう一つ。
Oh. Well, there's his kiss right in front of Makima.
見られちゃった。マキマさんに見られた。この感触がした気持ちいい。
You're choosing the kiss.
柔らかい。なんだこれ。口の中でとろけてるぞ。じゃない。ゲロだ。
トラウマだなこりゃ。
あらら、すいません。
What the
何か
fuck?
したものを。
That's so disgusting.
デンジは口に入れない栄養になるものを飲み込む癖があるんじゃ。
Oh my god. Oh, ew.
ポチタ、これ食えそうだぜ。
You cannot compare this to the vomit. No, this is much better.
見ろ、ポチタ。ネズミが酔っ払いのゲロに集まってら。ゲロ食うなんて信じられねえよな。
Oh yeah, yeah, you throw up after that. Gross.
姫野先輩には自制心が足りないんだ。博士やるの前だろ。仕事帰りの酔った母さんをよく介抱してたんだ。お前みたいにデビルハンターの才能はなかったがな。羨ましいよ。
I know you're trying to bond with him, but it's not gonna work.
こっちやよ。
Yeah, he just had an awful first kiss experience.
それを羨ましい。
Oh, I feel so bad for him.
あれ、デンジ君は？
デンジ君なら姫野先輩が背負って
Pick
連れて
him
行きま
up
したよ。
and walk off? What?
どこだここ。ちくしゃ
Yeah, he needs water after that.
ー。いざ。
What is this? Don't. Don't.
ありゃ、デンジ君。
I would never, ever let her kiss me again. Oh my god. And then to let her just give you a beverage from her mouth to your mouth? That's basically a replay of what just happened. A lot less gross, I'll give her that. But oh my god.
私が連れてきたんだ。
And she's still drunk.
で、
クラクラする。なんじゃこりゃ。
Why would you be dizzy? You didn't
そうい
drink.
や君、マキマさんのことラブでしょ。
クラクラする。
Maybe just from throwing up, I guess.
そんなやめときゃいいのに。
Whoa.
あ
You don't like her?
あんな照れちゃってさ。
Oh, you're jealous.
もう、牛。
Do not kiss her again.
しちゃう。
What? And that was Chainsaw Man, episode 7. Wow, so much happened here that I never expected. 1. Denji is 16? No, he can't be, right? He's wrong, right? He just lost track of time, right? He's older. He has to be. Seriously though, let me know in the comments down below if he actually is 16, because that's nuts if so. 2. He had his first kiss. Wow, what a traumatic experience that was. Oh my god. I can't believe that happened. I can't believe she threw up in his mouth. That was so disgusting. I'm like at a loss for words because that kind of just like stole everything from the episode out of my brain, and all I can focus on is the fact that she threw up in his mouth. Gross. Okay, but let's actually talk about something more serious than that. Makima showed up to getting drinks, and Denji was trying not to choose between Makima and Himino because he did want that kiss, but he didn't want to do it in front of Makima. He still wants Makima at the end of the day. That is his goal. And it was very interesting to me that he still let the kiss happen once he was given it. Obviously, I think it made complete sense with his character, but because he was so focused on trying not to let Makima know that this was going to happen, I'm just surprised that he didn't end up pushing her away or try to explain to Makima like, no, it's not what you think. But of course, the vomit in the mouth kind of kind of ruined that. So of course he wasn't gonna talk to Makima about that afterwards because he was too busy throwing up himself, which is valid. But I'm just very surprised that he actively chose the kiss over Makima in this instance. And he even ignored her questioning. He didn't fully give in to her. And I don't think she liked that. I don't know, just the look on her face. I don't think she liked that he wouldn't answer her, or that he wouldn't answer her truthfully. I think moving forward, Makima is going to try to strengthen her grip on him, because in her eyes, I think this looks like he's slipping away from her, and she can't have that. And that thought is also backed by Himino, who also said that Makima usually travels. She doesn't stay in Tokyo for that long, but she is now that she has Denji, now that she has the Chainsaw Devil. So something is special about him. Aki even questioned Makima, "Do you know what he is?" She wouldn't answer. And now devils are popping up with flesh of the gun devil, and it's too often. That doesn't happen. But it all seems to coincide with the Chainsaw Devil, with Denji. And now we also had in this episode that devils do know each other, and there are histories there are pasts there. And I feel like I should have known that based on, what was it, the Bat Devil and the Leech Devil being a couple, apparently. I guess it didn't really click to me that devils don't just exist as their entity, they can know each other. They might have a past with each other. And obviously, Eternity Devil knew Chainsaw Devil in a prior life, so to say, because he was like, wow, you're so weak, you've fallen so far. So if this is the Chainsaw Devil at their weakest, what do they look like at their strongest? What is Denji going to look like at his strongest? And will it be enough to take down the Gun Devil? I feel like maybe it will be, the way they seem to be setting it up here in the background. And that's pretty cool. Also at the end of this episode here, Himino just kind of took him with her. She is drunk. She wants to sleep with him. Will Denji agree to that? I don't know. I feel like he wants to hold out for Makima. But again, he's very driven by his wants and his needs and his desires. So he might sleep with her just because the option is being presented to him and it is something he wants, even if it's not necessarily with the person he wants. Personally, never in a million years would I sleep with her after she threw up in my mouth. Never in a million years would I let her kiss me again. I still can't believe, like, she transferred the drink with her mouth into his mouth, and it's like you just threw up in his mouth, like, an hour ago or something. I know Denji was out of it. He couldn't really push her away. I wish he could have, but they're both out of it. One is drunk. Denji is probably dehydrated, if I had to guess, because I was like, why is he dizzy? Why is he feeling sick? Oh, because he threw up a bunch after he was thrown up into. So it makes sense he's out of it. Hopefully they don't do it, because I don't know how old Himino is. And if Denji truly is 16, oh my god. But also I don't want them to do it because I do think I want Denji to stick to his goal of being with Makima. I don't think that goal is ever gonna happen. But I kind of do want to see some, I don't want to say loyalty, some restraint. I would like to see some restraint in Denji. He doesn't have it. So I don't think I'm gonna see it, but it's what I want. This next episode, I don't even know what to expect. But let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this episode. If you enjoyed my reaction, please leave a like and subscribe and check out my other shows here on the channel. And with that, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!